Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can customize Zoom keyboard shortcuts on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on Zoom. Then go down and tap on Keyboard Shortcuts. In here at the top are the Keyboard Shortcuts toggle button, which you can switch it off or turn on the keyboard shortcuts for Zoom. And down here are the Adjust Zoom Level. So you can tap this one on to turn it on or off. Next is the toggle zoom button, so you can switch it on, and with this key right here, by pressing on this key on the keyboard, will allow you to zoom in or zoom out. Next is the move zoom window, so you can tap on this toggle button to turn on or turn off move zoom window on the keyboard. The next shortcut is the switch zoom region, so you can switch it on by pressing on this buttons down here on your keyboard will allow you to switch the zoom region. And lastly is the temporarily toggle zoom shortcut, so you can tap on that toggle button to switch it on or off. And that's it. So in here you will be able to manage your Zoom keyboard shortcuts. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.